In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your Bitcoin wallet address using the Kraken phone application. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. If you don't have a Kraken account yet, I will leave my referral link and invite code on the description below, where you can get from 20 to 100 euros just by creating your account, doing your first deposit and a trade, which is very simple. You can just trade from one crypto to another, and this way you will get a bonus. As you can see, this is all the money I got from referral codes, and this is just the money I got on the last week. So for example, my last referral got more than 100 euros and it's completely free and it only takes a few minutes. So if you want some extra money, you can create your account using the link in the description below. So once you are at the homepage, you need to click on explore right here to search for Bitcoin. So just search it on this top search field and click on Bitcoin. Now once you are here, you should find the deposit button right here. So if you click there, you will see a list of the different networks you can choose. So the default network should be Bitcoin. So if you click here, you will see some simple instructions. For example, you can only deposit Bitcoin from the Bitcoin network on this address. There is also a very small minimum deposit. The processing time for each transaction should be around 45 minutes. And if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can try sending smaller amounts first. So if you understand everything, just click here and you will see your Bitcoin deposit address. So you can scan this QR code as well. So it will automatically redirect you to your deposit address, or you can copy the deposit address right here and then send it to whoever has to make the payment, so they can just deposit money to your address by pasting this wallet right here. There is also some more information: the network, the fee, which is free, the minimum deposit, the processing time, and more. So this is the address you can use to deposit Bitcoin on the Kraken platform, and after some minutes you should see the money on your wallet. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.